Welcome back, SRC Toys. My name is Will. Thank you for tuning into the new channel. I appreciate it. We're still working on Maxx red build. The chassis is coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to take it apart tonight. Hoping the bearings come in. I don't know if they're going to come in or not. So I took all the screws out of this piece here. It was like 18 screws. Let's get the center piece out. That's why, because there's one in there. No, maybe not. There we go. See? What a pain in the ass that is. See? It's going to be an overhead video, I would assume. Okay. Let me get this party started. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate it. We're over 200 subscribers now. That's a good job. So I know there's still more people out there that can subscribe and hit like. Every little bit helps. I'm trying to monetize the channel. That way I can get some coin off it. That way I can bring you better videos. But I also haven't been posting it on my YouTube, my Facebook channel either. So I mean, I gotta start doing that. But I don't want to overwhelm everybody with my videos. But you might have to. Out of all them screws, it's so much easier to work on it without that piece on there. That's cool. It's like 18 screws. Okay, I'll see you shortly. That was quick and painless. Okay. Let's get all new bearings in it. I'm not going to take this piece apart. I will lose the screws in this if I do it right now. I want to do it when I got the bearings, because I don't know if the bearings are coming in tomorrow or not. So I'm going to take the front tip out. That shorter screw goes to the front differential. Ew, grody. Yeah, somebody's been monkeying around in there with all that nasty grease. Nasty. Nasty. Somebody's been in here because I knew that ain't original grease. Yeah. Yuck. Yeah, they greased the hell out of it, I'll tell you that. That'll break me. Teeth are fine, no sharp edges. I'm gonna let them soak. I am replacing all the bearings in it, so the center diff bearings will be replaced as well. But I'm not taking that apart until I receive the bearings. So, there's that. I was going to order all new Bulkhead stuff, but they got them pretty cheap. So, okay, I think this video ran on long enough for now. There we go. There we go, yo. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit like. I got a nitro rustler I'm going to be working on. That'll fill up a couple video spots next week. And I also have a LGC chassis slash that we're going to start working back on again. Probably not, because I got all the parts. All the parts are coming for this Maxx tomorrow. So tomorrow's videos will be the Maxx videos, putting the center chassis in and hopefully putting this back together and getting it running so I can get rid of it. I do have somebody that wants it, but you know, I'm gonna bash it. So these bearings probably aren't bad anyway. But I might even reuse these bearings, oil them up and reuse them. I was worried about them rusting after I washed it, but apparently it didn't do it that bad with them. Oops. Nope, this one's bad. This bad. Well, one of them's bad, so I mean, I'll replace them both. I've never been into one of these. Let's take this apart and see what we got in here. See how nasty this thing looks. Hope everybody enjoyed their summer. Ew, gross. is supposed to be in that, but that's what that is. That's grease. Okay, well, looks like this is getting torn down and soaked, because that's not supposed to have grease in it. It's supposed to have oil in it. So I'm going to put this in a brake clean solution here. Okay, we're at 11 minutes just in this part of the video, so I'm going to let y'all go. I'll be back shortly.